As the India's first ever Neo Metro is getting closer for the central government approval, the Maha Metro is getting ready to start its construction. On 26th March 2021, the Maha Metro has invited bids to supply 50 coaches to form 25 2-coach electric trolley buses for the Nasik Neo Metro project. Basically, the Neo Metro is actually a metro type system which uses electric trolley buses instead of normal metro trains. These systems have been designed to serve those cities which has a population of less than 10 lakhs and the suburbs of the bigger cities. And Nasik will be the first city in India to have a metro Neo system. As per tender documents, the coaches of these electric trolley buses will be lightweight, probably will be made by the aluminium with a regenerative braking and capable to operate on 750 volts DC overhead electrification. Also, the selected firm which will supply these coaches are required to manufacture 75% out of the total coaches in India to promote the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. Since this is the first Metro Neo project of India, it will be very excited to see which firm will be capable of bidding for these unique coaches. The last date of submitting bids is 5th May 2021. After that, the list of bidders will be revealed at the following day. The Nasik Neo Metro is a 32 km long metro network which consists of 22 km long line 1 from Gangapur to Nasik Road railway station with 20 stations and a 10 km long line 2 from Gangapur to Mumbai Naka with 10 stations. If things go well, then the construction will start by the end of 2021 and the services will start by the year 2025. Yesterday, on 26 March 2021, the Japan International Cooperation Agency or JICA have signed a loan agreement with Government of India to finance both Delhi Metro and the Bangalore Metro. Through this agreement, the JICA will provide the 12,107 crore rupee loan to India, out of which rupees 8,390 crore will be used on the Delhi Metro Phase 4 and the rest 3,717 crore will be used on the Nama Metro Phase 2. In case of Delhi Metro, the JICA will provide an 8,390 crore loan to finance both civil and system works of Delhi Metro Phase 4. This include a 7.5 km underground section of Magenta line extension from Deraval Nagar to RK Ashram and the underground sections of Delhi Metro Silver Line which runs from Aerocity to Tughlaqabad. Where on the other hand, the JICA will provide a loan of rupees 3,717 crores to the Nama Metro Phase 2, out of which rupees 1,372 crores will be used to finance the system components of Nama Metro Pink Line, which will include rolling stocks, signalling and automatic fare collection gates or the AFC system. And the rest 2,345 crores will be used to finance the Nama Metro Blue Line, which runs from Silk Board to Kempegowda International Airport via KR Puram, which is currently waiting the central government approval. Once Blue Line will approve from the central government, the BMRCL will award the contract to Afcons and Shankar Narayan Company to construct the Phase 1 of the Blue Line from Silk Board to KR Puram, which were the lowest bidders for the construction. If things go well, then the construction will start within 2 months and the services will be start by 2025. Subscribe to the Global Transits to get news updates on rapid transit system all across the world. And that's it for all. Goodbye and have a nice day.